Hi there. Oh, I just got back from a dog walk, and so I'm a little sweaty and, living real life here. But on my porch, when I got back, was this box, and I thought I would do a little unboxing video. And I'm sorry, I'm kind of flashing it. There are shorts under the skirt, I promise. That was not a Basic Instinct moment. So this box, well, should we just open it and see? While I start to cut the tape, I'll tell you a little bit. So I have been putting the contents of this box in my shopping cart and leaving it there and taking it out and almost pushing the button and taking it out over and over and over again for the last, I don't know, at least a year. And, well, we all know that this week was Amazon Prime week, Prime Days. So I finally checked. This isn't the one that I kept putting in and out of my cart. It's actually better than what I was putting in and out of my cart. But because of Prime, I was able to spend the same amount of money and get the get more for my money. So let's see what I have here. Let you already be able to tell. There's another box inside here. Oh, yes, it is. I may have to stand up to pull this one out. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna give Lilith a box to play in. There you go, kitty cat. And try again not to flash y'all. Oh no, I got these big purple cases in front of me. That should help that situation. Okay, here we go. So, inside here is supposed to be a set of 7 crystal singing bowls. Now I have had my set of metal Tibetan bowls for 5 years now, and have. At first, I didn't want the crystal ones. People say, "Oh, do you like the crystal ones?" Or so, everybody's got the crystal one, and I didn't really want the crystal ones. But then recently, doing more sound work, I have a reason to find the idea of the crystal ones more interesting. All right, so back to the unboxing, the unveiling. Nice, the cases seem like they're really good quality. I haven't unzipped them yet. The weight of I'm sure the bowls are inside, so they're seem pretty well padded. They have pockets on the outside, can you see here, for the mallets, and each bag came with this stick mallet, which is the felted mallet, and the rubber-headed mallet. So it's nice to have a place for the mallets to go. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on to see if they're gonna fall out of there when I'm moving them around, but so far. Okay, so let's unzip this one. Let's see what's inside. Okay, a lot of plastic, but I guess, you're gonna order something from the Big A that comes from probably China. Hey. All right, where's that knife again? They're packed. They're well packed. So let's give them an A+ on that. So far, so good. Probably keep some of this. So we have the set of the rubber O-rings that they set on. Nice. Oh my. Oh. I intended to and thought I had ordered a set of white ones. But you know how it is when you're ordering things on the Big A. You don't double, triple check. So it looks like I have a rainbow set. I'm gonna just think about that for a minute. But so far so good. There's the purple one. I really didn't want a rainbow set. I'm not a chocolate person. I mean, obviously I'm a chocolate, but I'm not a color. I don't know. There's the blue one. So far so good. As far as everything, you know, coming out of here without being broken. But I gotta get the O-rings set up here so that they have a place to go, because they are rounded on the bottom. They will not sit without the O-rings. So that's also good to know. I'm just gonna set it there. And each one comes, okay, they're all wrapped in individual plastic. I'm probably not gonna keep the plastic. But they have these little foam and nylon packing cups that they go with. Okay, so far so good. Which I don't have for my, ooh, that's yellow. You know me, I'm not a yellow orange person, so this is yeah, throwing me off. What was I about to say about, oh, so far the packing is excellent. The way they come. Nothing is like it's broken or, this is the big one. I will link to this set in my description. I do have an affiliate program with, sorry, I'm gonna have to use my feet here, Amazon. So if you want your own set and you use my link, I will get, well, I will eventually get a small bit of commission. I think because this has 2 layers of plastic, because it was the main layer of plastic in addition. Oh, it's also stuck to the tape. That's part of why that one did not want to come out very easy. Okay, some big red here. Just like the aesthetics of the white bowls, better than the red bowls, or the colored bowls. It's just a personal thing. That is a big bowl. That is the biggest bowl I have. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so that's the first set of 4. There's 3 more in this smaller case, which I think is going to be nice because for certain events or certain things, I don't have to take all 7. I mean, unless I'm going for like a weekend retreat and I'm doing the sound work at the retreat or something like that, I'm not going to take all 7 crystal bowls and all 7 metal bowls. And let's see, my marking pans, I like to use those for things. Alright, last bag, last 3 bowls. Assuming these are the 3 smaller bowls. 3 more rings. Wow. I guess I am not going to complain about people who don't read the descriptions well and order the wrong thing. If we did the same thing. Ooh, this is pretty. This is a gray one. I think it's gray. Ooh, it's like a cold, dark, what's gray on the outside? It's a deep cobalt on the inside. That's probably the one that was on the small one. There we go. And then I have the green one. another orange. This is the orange. That's the golden yellow, I guess. Oh, you know what I wasn't paying attention to? Shoot. So excited to pull these out of here, but I did not realize that the bags, each of these bags, have like 7-inch, it has the note A minus. So I'm gonna have to go back and figure all that out. And I can do it by size. Yeah, the last one, because there's so much tape on this inner bag, it is stuck. Let's look at the bag. Oh, yeah, it's all taped on here. There we go. Okay, doke. Ooh, I'm not liking that. There's sticky residue in there. So I'm guessing that this bowl's gonna probably, when I pull it out, gonna stick. Alright. Okay, now what I intended to buy, and hopefully what these actually are, that they are a 432 hertz set of bowls. So let's just see what kind of sound they make. Now they're on this fuzzy rug. I think they'll be fine. Oh, they have a nice sustain. Oh, I forgot the purple one. That's my 7-note 432 hertz scale. Is right up here watching everything. She's like, ooh, those look like cat beds. Yeah, let me see how they strike with the rubber. Don't really like the strike sound. Yeah, the rubber mallet for the strike is better. I mean, obviously that's what it's created for, but sometimes it's just easier to, you can actually use the rubber. This afternoon. I'm going to go back and look at the listing and see what I actually thought I ordered, because the picture was definitely white. But being Prime Days and it being, on sale, maybe they just only were putting the rainbow ones. Advantages to the rainbow. Once I learn like this, the red is D and the it's easier for my brain to associate, which one with which note. Not that I play them as musical instruments, but I might be able to in-tune myself to that a little bit better. I don't know. So I hope you liked them, like this little unveiling, and I really like the cases that they come in. There was another set I was going to get that didn't come with the cases, and it was cheaper, but by the time I added quality cases to the order, I was at the same price and for fewer bowls. So, come here, kitten. So, anyway, that's where we're at. Thank you for joining me. I am Beth at Spiral Path Healing Arts, and this has been an unboxing of my new crystal bowls. And if you like what you saw, you want to see more, you want to hear some more meditations and sound healings that I have planned coming up, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you another day.